Social media platform, we all have accounts on all different social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and many more nowadays. Companies also need social media accounts to stay in the loop with their target market. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn for free while doing almost no work at all. Now, you might be thinking that you will need a bunch of followers on your social media accounts, or some form of experience with managing company social media accounts, but you will not need neither of those. Now, just follow each step in this video and you'll be able to earn money using this method. But before we start, hey guys, welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start to make things happen. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, to get started with this money-making method, what you want to do is open up a web browser and head over to eClincher.com and learn about this website. Now, if you don't know what eClincher is, it is the top-ranked social media management platform. They manage accounts on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google Business, YouTube, TikTok, and much more using eClincher. While using this platform, you are guaranteed to boost your social media ROI and grow your reach. They have an agile team with cutting-edge technology and die-hard support team 24/7. The website is also continuously adding value and features so that you can better execute your strategy. It is a really great service, and it has even been featured on the Daily Herald, Forbes, ABC, Fox News, and many other big publishers. As you already know, social media is a big part of our lives today. Almost everyone from small children to grandparents are on at least one social media platform. Which social media platform you guys like the most? Leave a comment down below with your favorite social media platform and tell me why you like that platform better than the other ones. Anyway, now that you have learned about this website, you might think that you need to work on this website, but you won't. As I mentioned earlier, this money-making method will require almost no work at all. So keep watching the video and find out how. Now, for the second step, I want you to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and here under eClincher, click on the partner/affiliate. This will take you to the eClincher affiliate program where you can grow with eClincher. Now, this is how this affiliate program works. If you start promoting and you get customers that are interested in having their accounts grow using your services, you'll be able to earn up to $100 per client. Now, if you get 5 people to use the link, then you'll get $500. 10 people, you'll get $1,000, and so on and so forth. Now that you know how the affiliate program works, you need to sign up and grab your unique referral code. To sign up for your eClincher account, just click on the apply button right here. This will take you to the registration. Now enter your email, first name and last name. If you have a website or blog, you can put it here, and if you don't have a website, you can just use your YouTube channel, for example, even if it has no videos, no uploads, nothing at all. So if you have a Gmail account, then you have a YouTube channel. Just paste the link here. Now, if you don't own a company, you can leave this part blank. Enter the country where you live, and if you check the available countries, you will see that almost all countries are here. So that means that this money-making method can be used by anyone, no matter where they are from. Enter your phone number and some social media accounts and hit the agree to affiliate terms and conditions. Now, I don't recommend that you check this box since it will send a bunch of notifications to your email and it can get annoying at times, so don't check this box. After that, do the CAPTCHA and hit the sign up button. Now, after a while, you'll receive an email from eClincher saying that you got accepted into their affiliate program, and you'll be able to grab that special affiliate link and start promoting this website again. For every person that signs up using your affiliate link, you'll end up getting $100, and that's $100 that you make without selling anything or providing any services at all. Just share your link and collect your profit. It's that simple and easy. We can move on to the next step, where I will show you how to start driving traffic to your affiliate link. Wait, before we continue this video, I would like to tell you guys that we post more videos on how to make money online on this channel every single day. The goal of our channel EarnPal is to help you guys learn how to create a stream of online income and make a passive income that goes directly to your PayPal accounts. I put a lot of effort into these videos to make sure that each and every one of these methods work, so I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment down below. Now let's get back into the video. Now for this step, we'll follow a specific way to drive traffic to your link. The way I'm going to share with you is the best way to do it. Now you might be thinking to yourself, I'm gonna ask you to make a post on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, but it doesn't make sense because most of us do not have a big following, right? So that method is not going to work for us. So what we want to do is we want to find a good source of traffic for our link, knowing that we do not have any following on the internet. So this is where this website comes in handy. This will really help drive traffic to your affiliate link. So for this step, I want to show you how to get a bunch of people to use your link by going onto a freelancing website such as Fiverr. If you don't know what freelancing websites are, basically they are websites that allow you to hire people with special skills. These people can be anything from graphic designers and video editors to programmers, developers, or financial consultants. If you have any special skills, like if you are really good at drawing, if you know how to do programming, or even if you are knowledgeable on certain niches, then signing up as a freelancer is a great way to make money. A lot of people look for people that provide great services, so there's a big potential for you to earn on freelancing websites. But again, this money-making method does not involve you doing any work that requires a specific set of skills. So if you don't have a specific skill that can be provided as a service on freelancing websites, you have nothing to worry about. Just continue following this video and you'll be able to earn some money in this method. In this method, we simply want to use your referral link. The reason why I want to use freelancing websites to find people is because the people who are on freelancing websites are more likely to already be looking for a service. Now, for this video, I will use Upwork as an example. Now, if I search for social media manager, you can see that there are a bunch of results. As you can see, these people are charging $50 per hour and $45 per hour. This girl is charging $13, and as you can see, these guys are earning thousands of dollars on this website. But they don't know that there are online services that they can use so that their jobs will be done automatically for them. It would be really beneficial for these guys to have their work done automatically so that they will have time to do other stuff or get other customers. So what you want to do is connect them and tell them that you have a platform that will do all of their work for them and that they won't have to do it manually. But you need to be careful when you are doing this. You don't want to just go on to their contact page and type, hey, here's my affiliate link, because that is how you get banned from these websites. So instead, you want to take them off Upwork or whatever freelancing websites that you're using and tell them about your link on another platform. So for example, you can message them saying, hey, I have a website that is basically going to do all of the work for you, and it's going to help you make a lot of money when you use their services. Now, if you want to learn more, you can email me here or you can DM me on Instagram or whatever form of contact that you would like to use. Now, once they send you a message, you can send them your affiliate link. When they receive your affiliate link, they will be able to register using your link, and then you will be able to get your money. Now again, this isn't the only way you can get people to use your link. You're free to use any method that you like, so to make money using this method, the first thing you want to do is go to eClincher and sign up for their affiliate program. Next, you want to grab your affiliate link so that people can use it, and when people use your link, you will earn money. The last step is to drive traffic to your link. You can use any method to drive traffic to your link. All you have to do is remember that the more people that use the link, the more you will earn. So go out there and get more people to use your link and earn that big money into your PayPal account. So that's it for today's video. This is the end, and before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified when we post new content every single day on our channel EarnPal. And don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.